Today I am making one of my favorite loaves of bread. It's a simple country loaf, flavored with rosemary and cracked black pepper. I start with an envelope of yeast and some honey, which I add to a cup full of warm water. Set that aside until it becomes foamy. Meanwhile, measure out your flour into a large mixing bowl. Depending on the weather and the humidity in your kitchen, you may or may not use all the flour. I start with about 3½ cups and add in the rest by hand. Add the salt, rosemary, and black pepper to the flour and mix it together well. Make a well in the flour mixture and pour in the water. By this time, it should have a thin, foamy layer on top. Stir the dough with a wooden spoon until it just starts to come together. Place it on a well-floured board, sprinkle with a little more flour, and begin kneading. Continue adding flour until the dough comes together into a ball and is no longer sticky. Cut the dough in half and form into 2 even loaves. Place the loaves on a parchment-lined pan, leaving enough space between them to allow them to rise. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and set aside for half an hour. After the dough has rested for 30 minutes, begin to preheat your oven to 425. With a sharp knife, cut a few even slashes on the top of each loaf. Bake the bread for about 25 minutes or until it's golden brown on the outside and sounds hollow on the inside when you tap on it. When the bread is done baking, transfer it to a cooling rack and let it cool completely before slicing. This bread is so quick and easy, I often make it on busy weeknights. I hope you'll love it as much as we do.